everybody. Welcome back. Today I'm going to try my hand at a moonlit dahlia. My grandmother thinks fluid acrylics looks like somebody sneezed on the canvas in rainbow colors. And so her favorite thing is planting her flowers and tending to the flowers, and she really loves those big old giant dahlias. And so I thought maybe to change her mind about fluid art altogether, I could paint her a dahlia that she'd like and maybe not think it was so snotty looking. And so, what do? It's your grandma, and you must respect your elders. And so, I can't say, oh no, grandma, that's great stuff, that fluid acrylics. It does not look like snot. She's old school. She was born in 1935. So if I could change her mind, we can change the mind of the world. Anyways, I learned this technique from Camile Amoy on YouTube. It popped up in my non-subscription scroll thing, whatever you call it, feed. And so I watched it because it was beautiful and the colors were beautiful. And these were just the colors I had at home, and so that's what I used. They were close enough. And so, but it did make it really pop out and jump off the canvas a little bit. I can't imagine what it's going to look like under the resin. Probably a lot better and more 3D. But yeah, you should head over to her channel. She does a whole bunch of flowers and all different kinds. They look great. And anyways, that's who I learned it from. And you just need to swipe with the bottom of the spoon. And so you need to clean every time you swipe, just like with everything. Anytime you swipe once, clean your tool, swipe again, clean your tool. And that's how you get a nice clean swipe. Thanks for stopping by, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new techniques.